So whenever you are launching your own product line, one of the things that you're going to want to take in consideration is the MOQ. MOQ stands for minimum order quantity, and it is the least amount that you and the factory have agreed that you are going to buy at any specific time. The reason this is important for the factory is because they want to batch things in as big of a batch as possible for production, right? It saves them time, it saves them cost. And so when you're negotiating with them, something that you can consider a lever that you can pull is you can actually take a price increase to have a lower MOQ to make it more worthwhile for them, or vice versa. If you don't have as much inventory space for a product, instead of maybe having 500, you wanted to have 300 in your MOQ, then you can ask them, could we take, a possible price increase in order to negotiate that down. Now, always ask first if you can have a lower MOQ before offering to, obviously have a higher cost, but just something to take into consideration.